Why does your scanner show the P203E engine code? What does it mean? P203E is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant level sensor A, circuit intermittent or erratic. The P203E engine code for indicate the vehicle's computer, PCM, detects an unstable, jumpy, or implausible signal from the sensor that monitors your diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, tank level. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or corroded sensor, overfilled DEF tank, damaged wiring or connections, contaminated or crystallized fluid, software or ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ram, Ford, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.